Hey guys, my name's Salt and I'm gonna teach you how to make a bracelet with the strings, and this is my friend Flu who's gonna help me doing it. First of all, we need 4 strings like this, and if you want to mix the color, you can choose like 2 colors like this, but if you don't want it, you can just do one like you did here. Yeah, only 1 color. Yeah, if you want 2 colors, you can mix it together, 4 string like this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so now you need to knot it first, all the string together. Okay, so now I want to mix the color, so I'm gonna choose 2 color, different color. So can you hold here? Here. So first one, I'm gonna start from the left, and I will keep doing it from the left, always left. So here. So first of all, you make the number 4 like this. Yeah, number 4, and then you put it right here, like this. Okay. And like I said, we start from the left, always left. Okay. Again, it doesn't matter what color, we just start from the left, so keep doing from the left. So you make the number 4 first, and you put it right here.